Hello everyone, this is Yasir Hussain and I am the General Manager for Bahariya Town. We are the biggest real estate and construction company of Pakistan, Alhamdulillah, and we are the pioneer of real estate in Pakistan. And we've been working and delivered mega projects of Pindi and Lahore, and from then onwards we have a Karachi project. It started in 2014 and now it's a city within a city. We have delivered the most biggest project of Bahariya Town so far in Karachi, and I welcome all the overseas clients to come and visit Bahariya Town, Karachi, and see yourself this mega infrastructure, all the international standard facilities we have in Bahariya Town, Karachi. We have the hospital up and running, we have the parks, we have the plots starting from 125 yard to all the way to 8,000 yards, and we have farmhouses, we have commercial properties. You can start up your business here, and we have the third biggest mosque of the world after Makkah and Medina coming in Bahariya Town, Karachi. Of course, the 50,000 sitting, the biggest cricket stadium of Pakistan is going to be in Bahariya Town, Karachi, as well as we have the day and night safari zoo, which is the biggest one so far, and it's open from 10 to 10 all the way for the people of Pakistan. And we have the biggest international theme park open in Bahariya Town, Karachi, which is up and running. And as well as, I'm not going to be, of course, avoiding the people of golf course. A lot of international people like golf. So all your golf course lovers, we have the 36 whole golf course, PGA standard golf course in Bahariya Town, Karachi, which is all light up, open for you very, very soon. Everything is absolute ready. The possessions are all ready. You can start up your business. You can start living in Bahariya Town, Karachi. And at the end, I would like to say that the vision of the chairman of Bahariya Town, Malik Riaz Hussain, the CEO Ali Riaz Malik, the country head sales Shahid Mahmood Qureshi, the vision of these three people from day one is to deliver Pakistanis in Pakistan the best we can, and we've been doing that. And in that umbrella, all of us, all the Bahariya Town members, we've been trying our best to give the best customer service to the people of Pakistan, the international community of Pakistanis around the world. And as well as that, we have basically been trying our best to give everyone whatever we may can, wherever we may can, the help. And we would love to have feedback from you guys, especially the international community living abroad. If you ever want to ask any questions, our landline numbers, the toll-free numbers, the email IDs, everything is on, and we welcome all the feedbacks from you. Anything you may need to know, anything you may need to ask about Bahariya Town, we are basically here sitting 9 to 5 every day, and even after work. I'm more than happy to help you out. In the shared link after the video, of course, my ID, the email ID will be shared, and as well as the number, the toll-free extension number. You can call, you can ask anything you want to ask. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish to see all of you in Bahariya Town, Karachi very soon. Cheers.